How to get money on Temu. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have free items on Temu. First of all, open the Temu application. Then click on You at the bottom of the page. Scroll down and click on Settings. Click on Country and Region. Scroll down and select your country, for example, the United States. Do you want to shop in the United States? After switching, you will need to register or sign in again. Click on the Switch button. Select your email account. Go back to your profile and click on You at the bottom of the page. Click on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Refresh the page and check the free gifts and credits. Click on Continue on any gift. From here, you can redeem your coins or also you can refer one friend. Scroll down and check steps about how to redeem coins on Temu. That's how you can get money on Temu. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.